Hello everyone. Me along with my group mate, we both have made a TickStack application which monitors my system performance. Let me go ahead and show the list of configuration files and the Docker Compose YAML that we have created to run the TickStack application. As you can see, in the Docker Compose YAML file, we have defined all the services including Telegraph, InfluxDB, Chronograph, and Capacitor, which are required for the successful running of TickStack. Uh, when it comes to Telegraph, uh, it is we pulled the latest image from the Docker by using Docker Hub, and our Telegraph, which essentially connects an application and the InfluxDB. It collects it collects the metrics from an application. In our case, which is the CPU metrics including disk I/O, CPU usage, memory usage, etc. So it collects the disk I/O, CPU usage, all the metrics at regular intervals in the form of events or the metrics, and load it to InfluxDB. So Telegraph is actually dependent on InfluxDB. When we look at InfluxDB has exposed of three ports, which are 8086, 8082, and 8089. Usually, InfluxDB is served on 8086, where we have access to the UI of InfluxDB to configure the stuff uh, more easily. When it comes to capacitor, this is the configuration that we have done, and it is exposed on the port 9092. And uh, chronograph with the help of chronograph, we will be able to visualize the metrics that is being received from Telegraph to and being pulled from InfluxDB. Capacitor is the service which helps us to do the analysis of the data that we receive. So let me go ahead and show the list of uh, InfluxDB configuration. The only change we have done in this configuration is this particular file has been pulled with the help of Docker Hub. So and this is a file that we have. This is a file that is associated with InfluxDB. When it comes to Telegraph, we have exposed the port 8086. This is the output plugin. Our Telegraph will send our data to the port 8086 on which uh, InfluxDB is exposed, on which InfluxDB is accepting the data. We also enabled the database Telegraph to receive UDP URL endpoint on the server side. I also uh, I also created the user with username and password with my IITJ ID. When it comes to capacitor, I we have exposed the same InfluxDB port as port as an URL, uh, which is an InfluxDB settings, which comes under and the username and password which I have defined. So I have already ran the uh, container. Let me go ahead and show the list of. So you can see there are four containers that are running on different ports. The chronograph is running on uh, doublet. InfluxDB is running on 8086, capacitor is running on 9092, and telegraph, which sends data from 8125 to 8086. So let me go ahead and show the databases that are present in InfluxDB. So we can see that the list of databases available are Telegraph, Chronograph, and Internet. Let me use Telegraph. These are the list of inbuilt tables that we get. Let me show measurements where we have GitHub repository, disk.io, kernel, memory, net, preprocess system. So let me go ahead and show access the chronograph. As you can see that there are already two alerts that have been raised. I have configured the alert uh, when the value reaches more than one to such that it sends an alert to my mail or whichever uh, communication medium that I wish to configure. Let me go ahead and show the dashboard. As you can see that the dashboard is showing me the all the metrics, number of days the system is up, system load, memory usage, number of cores, total memory usage, system load. Let me go ahead and show a real-time value uh, where the where I'll show you that system load is actually changing. I've executed this particular command, uh, which makes the CPU to do some heavy work, and the current system load is 0.03. Let me refresh, and you can see there is an increase in spike. As you can see, the system load is keep on getting increasing. So let me go ahead and stop this process, and we can see a decrease in system load usage. As we can see, the system load is gradually decreasing. So in this way, we can integrate a lot of applications and monitor their uh, metrics, and even send alerts when an event occurs. Let me go ahead and show the capacitor integration. The InfluxDB, which I have created this capacitor, where the URL I have given is the capacitor and which is running on the port 9092. I have enabled an email service which alerts me when the particular load has reached, and send triggers an email, which acts as a communication media. When it comes to the uh, security part, I have made all the four containers run bridge to the same network, which is called uh, TickStack communication and system monitoring default. Let me go ahead and show the configuration of. So you can see, so this is the network configuration of the container. So all this by connecting a bridge network, all the four containers will make use of the host, which is my system's network, and make use of the internet connectivity. So this is a basic demonstration which gives a fair bit of idea about how a tech stack will actually work. So this ends my presentation.